Excuse me, do you know how to work an iPhone?
Yeah.
Okay, can you just put your number in?
My name's John Cooper, and for the last 10 years I've been helping men connect with women in a more healthy and attractive way than traditional dating coaches. In this show I'm here to answer all your questions on socialising and dating, so you can navigate the world and meet women that's not only socially accepted, but also gratefully received. Welcome to Ask John.
Excuse me, do you know how to work an iPhone?
Yeah.
Okay, can you just put your number in?
That is brilliant. I love it. Are you just doing this? You're filming this. It's really bad.
We can't be here all day.
Are you literally just stopping random people?
Look, I'm going to ask for hers in a minute if you're not careful.
No.
Look, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll get both.
You're mental.
I'm a bit crazy. I like your shoes, by the way.
You're not wrong.
Leopard skin. I like it. What are they inspired by? Hey, do you know what? I think we've got.
Look at that.
Hey, look. I think there's. I don't know about you, but I think there's chemistry here.
You think? Why are you filming this? I'm at the most private
Have you got a boyfriend?
I have no boyfriend, no.
Well, I don't have a boyfriend either. No, I don't.
Excellent. You look like take it out.
Well, look, this is what we'll do, okay? Did you just say I take out the arse?
What did you look like?
I like her a lot.
I like it too.
Do you know what? I don't normally say this, but I would let you fuck me up the arse.
What's going on here?
Okay. Would you happily do this?
What is he doing?
Look, I don't mean to be rude, but would it be okay if I just took away for half an hour? Would that be okay?
Hey, 35 minutes, seriously.
Oh,
So we have to fight.
Fight over me? Oh, you want her as well?
Yeah.
Look, I don't know about you guys, but I'm thinking possibly a love triangle here.
When you're big enough, maybe.
Well, I'm big enough. Oh, I don't measure up, do I?
What are you doing? You're mental.
Okay, I am mental, but do you like it, right?
I love it.
You love it, okay, right. I'm stopping you because you're lovely, and you're lovely as well. But you can see this. You can see the chemistry, right?
Yes, I see.
Right, okay. You're the first one.
Yeah. I'm sure the first one is giving you some banter.
No, do you know what I like? Banter. I like a girl that can give a bit back, you know? I really like that. And you're the first girl that's done that today. And you're the first one who's going to fuck me up the arse. So that's always a first.
If you're lucky.
Yeah?
Only if you're lucky.
I'm feeling quids in today. Yeah. So here's how it's going to work. Here's the deal. We're going to go for a coffee, okay? And then we're just going to see how the date evolves. Yeah? Come on.
No,
come on, let's go. Come on.
What are you doing? And where are you posting this shit?
I'm posting this shit. dickupass.com.
Alright, now I'm like 69, but
Yeah. All that.
What are you doing?
Okay, what's your number? Come on. Come on, what is it? Email.
What are you doing?
Twitter. What's your Twitter? God, everyone's on Twitter these days.
Is this like a competition or something? Like how many you can get?
Why not? Hey, yeah, if you like.
Oh, I'm so not that easy.
Really? What works with you then?
Not being filmed generally.
Okay, look, we'll stop there. Nick, come over. Right.
No, that's still going.
No, okay. Well, you can turn it off now. Right, okay.
Like you do when he's in the bedroom. I'm sure you.
Okay. Okay. So, did you notice the feet in there, by the way, Nick? Did we notice that? Yeah. Okay. So, notice how your feet are crossed right now, because you're basically saying, yeah, I'm happy to stay and talk for a bit. That's what that suggests. Subconsciously, right? You were doing that earlier, straight away you're like that. So I know that you're like, yeah, you're a cool guy, I'm going to give you some of my time, yeah? So that was nice. But what we're doing is I'm just stopping girls, having a bit of fun, having a bit of banter, and just showing guys how easy it is. How how to do it.
Seriously, take a leaf from
But
that.
whilst you're here,
Amazing.
yeah. Oh, pretty much, yeah. I like this one a lot. So yeah, did it work?
Yeah. It was fun. It was really fun. But if you were minging, it wouldn't have worked.
Oh, so you're saying I'm good looking?
Yeah, but you can be realistic. Like if you were a bit, I'd be like,
Yeah?
So, yeah.
Oh, thanks, Mum. Right, whilst you're here, we're going to ask you a couple of questions, okay?
Go for it.
Right, okay. What's the most...
Can I look this stuff up?
Yeah, of course. We'll show you links to this. What's the most important thing you look for in a guy? Come on, darling. You're
Someone that makes me, you're in it.
Someone that makes me laugh with a good personality. Yeah?
No, seriously. Obviously a huge cock. No, I'm joking.
Up the arse.
Genuinely someone that makes me laugh, because I'm actually talking to someone at the minute that I've never met and I'm having the best time because it's fun.
Right, but would you get with Ken Dodd? No.
No, but he's not funny.
Okay, but what about Johnny Vegas?
Yeah, he's cute. It's pure banter. Pure banter. Someone that can rival me in both intelligence and wit. So they would have to be sharp.
Okay.
Someone I'm not going to have to kind of second guess or think about.
Okay, but sharp can be in terms of humour as well, because if you're quick-witted, that's sharpness, right? That for you is an intellect of wit.
You had an answer for everything I said, and I thought, oh, great, I have to up my game here. Normally it's quite easy.
What do you mean? What kind of things was I saying?
Normally I can shoot someone down in flames.
Yeah? I'm trying to think what you might have said.
Actually, you were like, you kind of missed a bit. You missed up the arse bit, and then after you were like, hang on, did you just say up the arse? And so you did. You thought about it. You went just saying random shit.
Because I think that's important actually. Is most guys will throw out the lines, but the moment a girl says something back, then they've got nothing.
No, there's no comeback.
Because the skill to talking with a woman is actually how you respond to the girl, not just what you say. And it's in that moment when you're responding, that's when the girl finds you attractive or not. Because that's what demonstrates all those qualities you just mentioned about being quick-witted, sharp. And I think that's where we had the chemistry.
Yeah, you absolutely had an answer. It was good. And your opening line was hilarious.
What was my opening line? And that's the thing, I can't remember what I said.
Like an iPhone, yeah. And you put your number in there, please.
Okay, yeah.
It was lame, but it was funny. It was quite cheesy, but it.
Yeah, I've just been doing a series of those when I'm doing it, and I said it to Andra. I said, excuse me, I can't get my iPhone. Can you put your number in? Yeah, sure. She went, yeah. And she went, oh, what am I doing? And then she goes, oh, you're filming. I went, why didn't you just give me your numbers? I don't know. But she's like in that Darren Brown trance of not knowing.
Yeah.
But so that's why I was doing that as a little funny.
Yeah, no, it was a great opener. Like it was. Even like really lame traffic lines just had me feeling about laughing.
Today.
Because they're just daft, but at least you had the balls to come up and talk to you.
Actually, that's another really good point that I want to mention is the fact that it's okay to do the cheesy one-liners.
Absolutely.
As long as you're doing it in a way that you don't need anything from that girl. You're doing it just because it's funny to you, and it's like you're making a bit of a fun moment. If you're doing that because you're going, oh, this is a fun one. This normally works. This one. I'm going to do this, and hopefully I'll get a number. Then that's when it's shit.
That comes across as predatory.
Yeah.
It's like you're gonna go there with me, and I just actually we'll see, and I'll decide.
Yeah.
It's not up to you.
Yeah. So it's not just the lines mean nothing. It's about like your behaviour and kind of.
And the follow up and so. I was like obviously laughing, and then it was cool.
Yeah, it was good.
Well done.
There we go.
Right.
Do you want to have a look on the website when it's done? Yeah. Are you happy to be in it?
Not really, but.
Oh no, you were good though. You were good. Yeah, you were really good. So, what's your number? Come on, I've earned your number now.
Seriously, you're obviously doing that.
No, I'll be honest with you. I like you. You're my favourite. You're my favourite.
So far. But
look, I'll be honest. I've stopped one girl and done this already.
Okay.
And to be honest,
so far.
I didn't like her that much. No, I'm not going to ask for your number. Okay. I'm not going to ask for your Twitter. I'm going to ask. No, I'm going to ask. You know what? I love Facebook.
I'm not on Facebook. I'm really private.
Well, I don't call it Facebook. I call it Fishbait. I've got the girl on the Fishbait.
Oh really?
Yeah. So.
I'm not on it. If I was, I'd give it you, but I'm genuinely
Well,
not.
how are we gonna keep this relationship going?
Gonna have to just be fate, isn't it? If we ever meet again.
Fate.com. I'm not on that site. Okay, look, I'm gonna have to get your number then, aren't I? What is it?
No, you have to give me yours.
Look, we're not in school anymore, okay? Look, I'm gonna call you now on my phone.
Ah, yeah.
You can have my number, and then once you finish shopping,
That's something you must never do as well. Like, put the number in and then ring it and go, your phone's not ringing. If she's giving you the wrong number,
Yeah.
she doesn't ring Dad.
why are you gonna give me the wrong number? Well, then that's not a problem, right?
I don't know how you know. How does that work? Like, seriously.
That's all right. Well, what's your name, Johnny?
Nicola.
And that is look at the corporate handshake there. This is like a business transaction going on.
Yeah, it is.
Seal the deal.
Not yet.
Okay. And right, let me.
Hi, I'm Jules. Jules.
Jules. Okay. Right. And the number is
What's
07
your surname? Seriously, you could be a weirdo.
Cooper.
I need to Google you.
Cooper. Good luck trying to type in John Cooper.
Yeah, I know.
You'll get a million hits for that. Yeah, you're quite good detective skills. Right, come on,
Okay.
let's do this. Right. Come on, you know, I asked you to work an iPhone.
Is this going to do something?
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Oh, please, can you not spell?
No. You can put your name in as banter if you like.
Okay. There you go.
Nicola Banter.
Job
There you
done.
go. Can't ever forget that. Right, what are you doing? Seriously, like, let's be normal for a minute. Yeah, where are you? What are you doing? No, you are actually pretty cool. I actually do want to hang out with this girl. That's honestly, Nicola, you have got it going on.
I'm sure you're doing something now, which is like, look,
Look, off the camera.
she's going to marry me. She's going to.
Well, shall I talk about that now?
Yeah.
Let's just talk about that
What
now.
happens if you're not?
So let me know when you're recording.
I'm recording.
You're already recording. So that little interaction there, brilliant example. I mean, I had the energy quite high, and she was loving it, and we were giving each other some shit, and she wanted to stay. And I even mentioned the feet, crossing the feet, you know, from an interaction before about like how that just shows that she wants to stay and talk to me. But what would be good is if you can, at any one point, always have a higher priority than the girl that you're talking to. So, for instance, you're walking down Carnaby Street, do a bit of shopping, and then if you come out and you're in a good mood, just bought some nice clothes, hey darling, how you doing, you okay? And if she doesn't respond to it, you just carry on shopping, enjoying your day. And your day is what's your primary priority, not the girl. So always sweep the girl up into your day, into your reality, rather than saying, I've got nothing going on, I've got to now approach that girl in the hope of getting something from this. That's how you embody being an autonomous man, and that's what makes you attractive, because approaching is going towards something, and attracting is drawing someone into you, and that's the difference between an unattractive man and an attractive man.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to learn how to talk to and become infinitely more attractive around women, regardless of your level or how shy you are, go to menprovementx.com/John and sign up for my 100% free masterclass where I'll teach you everything you need to know. See you next time.